husband is a chocoholic, so I would always make that for him on his birthday.
Hey, what's your favorite recipe, though? Like when it comes to, you've been married to Carl for a long time. Was there one that hooked him, or is there one that you're famous for in your family, or one that everybody just super duper hopes you're going to make at the potluck or the family gathering that's coming up next?
Well, actually, all these are good, but usually Mama's favorite was, what we loved of Mama's, which I love too, is a big old chocolate cake with that thick, icing and all that. So that was usually, and my husband is a chocoholic, so I would always make that for him on his birthdays. But I love cooking all the different recipes, and I'm sure you're the same, to see what, the different, if something new comes out, like my new cake mixes, people are going to say, I got to try it at least to see if I like it. But I think they will, like all these things. Nothing better than a good old coconut cake or a banana pudding or a banana cake. So anyway, it just depends on who I'm cooking for. I try to fix them what they like.
So Dolly, people may not know this, but you do have mad skills in the kitchen. You have a proper published cookbook, Dolly's Dixie Fixins, and now you've got a new food project with Duncan Hines.
I do.
Yes, you do. And you've got, look at the display. Oh my gracious. All right, talk me through this.
This is something I've always loved to do. I love to cook. That's why I love watching your show. And I learned to cook from my mom and my grandmas and my aunts and my sisters. We all get together and compare recipes. But when Duncan Hines, when they came to us to see if we would be interested in, I said, of course, you wouldn't believe how many Duncan Hines cakes I've baked in my life, although we've baked from scratch. But this was a perfect thing to do. And I said, well, absolutely. So I'm excited. We've got this beautiful banana pudding cake, and then we got a beautiful coconut cake, and they all come in these great mixes. And so we've got all sorts of, I had this one thing.
And they're Dolly cakes. That's what they are.
I know,
they're Dolly cakes.
I was going to read this. We have a little kit out that has coconut flavored cakes, and it's a $40 kit that has all the mixes and a coconut flavored cake. But these are like the real mixes, the real thing. But this says, if you are what you eat, then why not be sweet?
Oh,
I love that, don't you?
that was great. And that is so Dolly. That's it. That's it in a nutshell. There's always a choice in life. And my grandpa used to say, you can laugh or you can cry. Which one feels better to you? I love that kind of mentality. It's beautiful. And now you can get it in a kit to bring that love to you. I love that. My sister's the big baker in our family, and I'm sure she's going to be so excited about this too. You're making our whole family, our cheeks hurt from smiling, visiting with you.